Ronaldo, who currently plays for Saudi Arabian club Al Nassr FC, launched his own YouTube channel and has shattered records on the platform already, reaching 35 million subscribers in just one day and 1 million in just 19 minutes. Cristiano Ronaldo launched his YouTube channel on Wednesday, with millions of subscribers signing up with horse. The Portugal international uploaded 19 videos on his You Are Cristiano channel that features content of himself and his family.